How are you? My name is Jamie Trogdon and I'm the department head over the Computer Integrated Machining program here at Randolph Community College. Our program introduces students to processes that are used in the metalworking industry, such as milling, turning, grinding, electrical discharge machines, and the water jet, among others. Our program offers credentials such as the diploma, certificate, and an associate's degree, along with credentials such as NIMS, which is recognized nationwide across our country. There are a lot of local industry jobs that pay great. Some of the local companies in our area that use such processes that we teach here in our program are Timken, Kennametal, Allen's Machine, and Jayco. Several of our graduates over the past several years are current leaders at a lot of those companies, and some of our graduates actually own companies that are in the area. If you're interested, come see us. We'll talk about getting you enrolled. Thank you.
Hello and welcome to RCC's water jet machine. I want to briefly explain what this machine is capable of doing. What we do here is we make pieces out of flat stock. This is a piece we've made right here. This is an Omax piece. It's actually a tweezers. This was actually made out of 1/8 inch aluminum. Okay, this was just a flat piece of stock when we cut it out. Today I'm going to show you North Carolina State with the word Randolph in it. And by showing you that, this right here on the screen right now, this is what we're getting ready to cut out. I'm going to set the machine up and get ready to cut the item out. What we do first is we already have our drawing up here on the screen. We already have this is the way our program's going to run. We got an outline of the state, and we've also got where it's going to run the piece at. So I'm going to go set this right now. I'm going to lower this down. And I'm going to move back this way just a little bit. Now, I'm going to begin machining now the machine's going to go through the setup on how to cut this part out. It's going through the letters now is what it's doing. Cutting them individually. And what it's doing, it's using a mixture of water and this sand mixture right here. It's actually got about another, it's already lapse time, it's already into a minute. It's actually got about four more minutes left as it's walking through. It's walking through the outside of the state now. And what it's doing is following the contour that we've already had drawn on the screen here. This is a very handy machine when you talk about machining. because it can fabricate a lot of stuff. It can cut out a lot of stuff real quick. A lot of logos, a lot of little brackets, and it saves tool time. It saves machining time. It's very, very accurate. Okay, right now we're fixing to do the back side of it. That's coming on up. And I'm going to stop it after this first part right here. And then I'm going to show you the part. Because we actually had this set up to cut too. So these parts here take about 3 minutes a piece. 3 minutes a piece. I'm gonna get it when it gets ready to wrap it up. Okay. I'm going to pause it right there before it gets ready to cut the other one out. And now I'm going to remove the part. This is the part we were able to cut right here. This took us about 3 minutes to cut. This was just a regular 1/8 inch flat aluminum when we started. This was just a flat sheet. Now you see what it spells now. It's got RCC, manufacturing day 2018, and it's actually got the stake all the way around it.
This is our manual milling area where we learn manual milling processes, and we also train on the Accurite along with the ProtoTrack conversational controllers. This is some of our CNC milling equipment. The majority of what we have in our shop is made by the Haas manufacturing facility, and we are a Haas technical education center. This is our manual turning area where we use Acer and select engine lathes with digital readouts. If our computer integrated machining program interests you, you can contact me at 336-318-0270, or you can find my email on the website. Again, my name is Jamie Trogdon, and if you're interested in our program, feel free to reach out to me and we'll discuss what we need to do to get you enrolled.